Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you've been subscribed to my channel, then welcome back. As you guys can tell, we're having a lovely Bottega Veneta unboxing today. I recently did another Bottega Veneta unboxing, so if you haven't watched that video, make sure to check that video out. And as you guys knew from that other video, I did mention that I was kind of on the fence about the color, although the color is a phenomenal color and so beautiful and probably going to be the it color for the season, but I still had my doubts, and as I mentioned, I was going to stop by the shop and check out maybe other bags or check out different colors. I have to say it was very hard to make that decision and get this new bag, so that's why we have another unboxing. I mean, it's exciting. At least we got more than one unboxing in like less than a week, right? I will be unboxing this new bag and revealing the color or maybe even the style. I'm going to make this fun for you guys. But make sure to stay tuned after the unboxing because I'll unbox it again while I'm sitting here and kind of talk about the bag. And you can wear this bag in 4 ways. So I will also show you guys how it looks on. After we talk about the bag, I'll show you guys a clip of me wearing the bag. So let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing and reveal. Okay, so since you guys already saw the bag, let's go ahead and unbox it again. It's always exciting here on Marina Odin because we get double unboxings. I just get a kick out of it. Okay, let's see this beauty here. So this one is also the point bag. Same everything, calf skin, but the name of the color is ice cream, I believe. It's not on the website, so I'm taking a guess because the other bag was seagrass. Phenomenal color, very similar to the top. But I just couldn't see myself reaching it over and over again or pairing it with many outfits. I just felt like it was super seasonal. Yes, I could have kept it as like my, you know, fun bag, but I just felt like I already have these very fun bags in my collection and I rarely ever reach over to them. I did promise myself I'm not going to be keeping bags that I'm hardly ever going to be reaching for. So shall we go ahead and kind of zoom in to this bag and look at it closely, see the details. Again, as I've said before in my other video, this is a very flexible bag in regards to like it being kind of like the pouch bag. It opens up and has a magnetic closure. It goes like that. And then we have the beautiful straps, which you can actually take off, make it into a pouch. I don't know if I'll be taking the straps off and then putting it back on. I might just like put it in. I don't think it'll do any harm. I really love the way the belt is going and like the strap, and then you can tie it here. It's such a cool way to shorten the strap if you really need it shorter. It does have an option to adjust it, but if you do want it shorter, you can definitely always do that. I think that's such a cool idea. And love, love, love the triangle there. Hello. It's just so gorgeous, guys. But let's talk about the harsh truth about this color and this leather. Since it's calf skin, it's kind of bare. It doesn't have any like glossing on it, nothing. And again, I really love the way they tint their leather. They really are very careful with it, you can tell, and very gentle. The quality of this bag is amazing. But with that being said, this white color is definitely going to be prone to some scratches, a lot of things, like fingerprints. So you just have to kind of be careful. The girls out there who self-tan, just make sure you're being careful or don't try to, you know, go for a bag like this on those days. And I'm crazy like that, and I decided I'm going to take that challenge. So challenge accepted. This will be my summer, spring, winter, fall bag, really, honestly. That's probably why I like this bag. So this is the inside detail, same thing, it's just kind of bare, no inner lining. So those are the things that you have to keep in mind with this bag. And when you're choosing the color, that if you feel like you are the person who absolutely doesn't care to really care for the bag and you're going to toss it around, probably not the best color. So this is ice cream, and the other one that I had was seagrass. I love this ice cream. Let's talk about the type of white that it. I have my white Chanel, and I think that that one is a perfect white, and I feel like this one also is a very perfect white. So this one has like a bit of undertone of grayish white. So it's not like an off-white, and it's also not a super white color, okay? But it does have like oddly, like, you know, like that, it just kind of hits a gray tone when you look at it from the sides, or like just get a glimpse of it sometimes here and there. It's just very beautiful. So maybe because of that, over time it might age better in the color. I'm not sure, but I did take the risk. And like I said in the other video, same price, it's $3,200 US, plus tax. For me it was like around 3,400 something. I don't remember the exact price. Seeing that Bottega is pretty invested in this style, and they've been doing it in many different fabrics, leathers, styles even. So sales associate did mention that they are pretty invested in this style. So I'm going to hope that that is what it will be, and if not, oh well, like I've mentioned, it will be a classic for me, because the reason why I love this bag actually is because it gives me this very vintage vibe with a modern twist. And it's like a 80s 90s vibe for me. Let's go ahead and jump into that clip where I show this bag while I'm wearing it. Sitting very beautifully, don't you guys think? Okay, I'm starting to fall in love more and more with this bag, because I have to be honest, I was very kind of doubting this bag too because of the color. Comment down below and let me know, what did you guys think about the 4 different ways that I just showed you guys how to wear it? A lot of people gave me feedback. They love it in all of those 4 different ways. They love it crossbody, you know, over the shoulder, under the arm, as a pouch, holding it by the handle. I just feel like, oh, it's such a chic classic piece. You can wear it in any way, and it's great for summer because it is big and it's pouchy, so you can put a lot in there and it will practically go with anything. So that's the great thing about this color, and I did want a chic classic piece. I'm going to definitely miss the seagrass, I'll be honest with you guys. I will be missing the seagrass. I'm honestly not sure if I'll be getting it. I'm still thinking about it. It was so hard to let go of it. I was literally like, no, maybe I can take both. But then I was like, no, I'm really just pushing it at this point. So I just ended up keeping this baby. At the way it's sitting here, it's just beautifully sitting there. And it's beautiful, chic, classy, graceful self. I mean, should I add any more words to this bag? I think it's doing the talking in the background there. Okay guys, so I think it's time to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing slash try on slash review slash reveal, whatever you want to call it, of this beautiful Bottega Veneta point bag. I am so in love with Bottega lately. I don't know, I think it might be my new it brand, to be honest with you guys. So stay tuned to see if there's more unboxings from this brand. I do have one more piece. I'm not going to tell you if it's shoes, handbag, clothing. Accessories, I do have one more piece in mind, but I won't talk about that right now. Well, just stay tuned and I will see you guys soon. Bye.